Hello students, today we are starting a new chapter, that is preposition, that is the chapter number 12. Okay, so we will first start with the definition of preposition. Let us understand what is preposition. So a preposition is a word that is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with some other words in the sentence. So preposition is used before a noun or a pronoun to show its relationship with other words in the sentence. Okay, it's make the sentence meaningful, and it shows the connection of the noun or the pronoun with other words in the sentence. Those words are called preposition. Okay, so there are different kinds of preposition, like preposition of time, prepositions of place and direction. So this way there are different types of preposition. Okay, today we are going to discuss about preposition of time. So first we are going to start with at. Okay, so at is used for, so we are going to discuss the uses of this preposition of time. So first we are starting with at. At is used for specific time or hour of the day. Okay, we can use it for to talk about specific time or hour of the day, or a certain moment or point of time. Okay, or a certain moment or point in time, to talk about particular time. For example, I went there at 5 p.m. Here we are talking about a specific time, right? Then she reached here at sunset. So again here we are talking about a specific point in time. So it is used when we are talking about a specific point in time. Okay, next is next again we can use at for festivals which indicate a indefinite point in the year. Okay, so we can use at to talk about festivals which occurs in indefinite point. There is no indefinite point in the time, indefinite point in the year. Okay, for example, we had a holiday at Diwali. I met him at Christmas. So this way we can use at. Okay, now we will see the use of on. We use on for specific days. So first we discuss that we use at for specific time, and we use on for specific days. Okay, for a particular week, for example, for a particular week or date. Okay, so for example, I went to Delhi on Monday. So we are talking about a specific day, right? The result was declared on 10th May. So we are talking about a particular date. So when we are talking about a specific day or date or week, then we are using on. Okay, and when we are talking about specific time, we use at. Okay, now let us see the use of in. Is used for a period of time in the morning, in the evening, in the year, in any year, in for example in 2009, in the 20th century, in summer, in winter, like that. So we use in to talk about particular time in the morning. When we talk about the day in the morning, talk about the time in the morning, or in that year, in afternoon, in the evening, or in 20th century, this way. Or we are talking about seasons, but with night we always use at. Okay, so he came to meet me in the afternoon. You can't say he came to meet me on afternoon. No, you can say that he came to meet me on Monday, but you can't say he came to meet me on afternoon. It will be in afternoon. She born in 1982. I reached there in half an hour. So this way we can use in. Okay, now let us see the use of During is used for something that occurs throughout a period of time. So throughout a period, when I am doing something else, when throughout that period something occurs, that time we use during is used for something that occurs throughout a period of time, like work continued during the summer. So throughout the summer the war continued. So during the summer, the war continued. He did not get fame during his lifetime. So throughout his lifetime, he did not get fame. So this way also we can use during to talk about something, some occurrence that continued throughout a period of time. During is used for specific period. So for specific period also we can use during. The theft took place during the night. At night also we can write, during the night also we can write. She falls down during the performance. So during is used for a particular time while something is in progress. So during is also used for something which is in progress. For example, the phone rang during the meal. So during when the meal was going on, at that time phone rang. So when something is progress, we at that time also we can use during. Okay. By is used to denote the latest time by which something was or is to be done. So by is used when we talk about something, the latest time of something by which that work will be completed. Okay, by is used to denote the latest time by which something was done or is to be done. She should be here by 7 a.m. They should completed it by Monday. So it indicates the latest time by which a work will be completed. Okay, for is used for a period of time for which an action has been going on. So for is we used for an period of time for which an action has been going on. For example, it talks about a period of time like 2 years, 3 hours, 1 year, this way. A period of time. For talks about a period of time. Okay. And since talk about a point of time. Period of time means like for 2 hours, for 3 years. These are the period of time. He worked for 3 hours. She lived here for 1 year. You can not write that she lived here since 1 hour. No, you need to write for 1 hour. Since is used for particular point of time. I started the work. I was doing the work since morning. She has been dancing since evening, like this. Okay. So since is used for a point of time at which the action started. The action till the time continued till the time of speaking. I have been waiting for him since morning. So a particular point of time this work started, that is on the morning. So since he has been here since 8 o'clock. From is used to indicate the time at which something starts. So form is used to talk about action. Form is used to indicate the time at which something starts. Okay. So he worked from morning till evening. So he started the work at morning and it continued still morning. So you can't write he worked since morning to, no. He worked from morning till evening. She prayed from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. So we use from to indicate time at which something start and finished at some other point. Okay, so these were some of the prepositions of time. If you have any doubt, if you feel any doubt, please don't forget to ask question. Thank you, students. We are ending the class here.